Seems like forever since we've been together. Oh God, I miss you bad. It's been so long, I know, but I'm finally coming home. Till then I'm dreaming of your heart, your eyes, our love.